Good morning. Um, so I have a request for a video. This one is just simply how to use the same dress on multiple avatars so you don't have to keep recreating the dress. For me, I find that if I make a project hierarchy type of folder system inside my computer under one project, then I have a really easy time with this process. So you can, of course, do it any way you like, but for me, it's just easier to keep everything separate. So I can go back and fix just one thing on one dress if I need to for a certain body. So this is a Maitreya body, and this is a dress that we made. I'm going to go ahead and show you now the uh, Venus natural body. So here's the body. I simply clicked on it, went to File, Export, OBJ, and that's just like I did with the other one. So I have this body now ready for Marvelous Designer. So I can go to Marvelous Designer, open up the project that has my Maitreya body and dress in it. Make sure that your Simulate button is off, because if it's on when you do this, your dress will just fall to the ground. So with that off, you can click on the body and you can delete it. Go to File, Add, Avatar. I'm going to add the Venus one here. I want to add it, not open it. Still with the M for meters, and OK. And here it is. Now, this isn't fitting quite as good as it did before, but that's because we didn't simulate it. So let's go ahead and click Simulate. And there we go. Now I know I told you that if the little bits of the body are poking through, sometimes instead of spending hours, okay, not hours, but instead of spending time trying to get the material stretched out, you can refigure it. The reason that you don't really want to refigure it with any adjustments here or with the properties like the particle distance or the quads to tries is because you want to be able to use the same um, fabric on it, the same UV unwrap. So also in this case, because you can see, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit, because you can see how the material is tucked in there, the material is actually inside of it. The body isn't just kind of poking through it. So it's a little bit different as well. So I'm just going to come to the side and pull that out a little bit. There we go. We don't want to change the dynamics of the dress if at all possible, the shape of it or anything. All right, with that done, you can now go ahead and hit File, and you can save project here, and we can go to our projects, Lisa, and you can see that I've saved it there. Now let's go back over to Blender with Venus in there. Did I say Visa? Belisa. Here's the body. I can import the dress. I believe it's in my projects right now because I haven't gotten this set up yet because I haven't done all the bodies yet. Alright, so there it is. It fits perfectly. Whoops. And you can just go ahead and skin this one as well. So if we go up to the skinning weights, lock our garment, then our lock avatar becomes visible. We can lock that. We can go ahead and transfer our weights. That's done. And you know it's done because the rigging turned into pose mode actually. So let's rotate this, make sure it's working. I'm going to click on that, go to here, which is the object data for the rig, put it on front, rotate, all looking good. Make sure the shoulders move nicely. Yep, really nicely. BB does such a great job with the initial weights that it puts in. A lot better than the other programs. Okay, so that is it. We just took our dress from Maitreya to Beliza, and we can go ahead and do the other shapes as well. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you. Please subscribe, share, and like as well. Thanks.